Good evening.
Yeah, you've spoken well about something that's going on in the country, and you said war is not a respecter of anyone, even those who initiated it. Can you shed more light on this and your advice for people at this critical time?
No, what is crucially important is for us to realize that the act of war is not a means to the peace. It cannot be. And we cannot put hatred instead of building understanding together. Tolerance, understanding, and management of anger is the solution to what we have on the ground. No leader of any nation nor any community we want its own people slaughtered, kidnapped, or killed. So you cannot put it on the head of one man. This situation has its historical perspective. We know when it started, but we don't want to give excuses. This government will perform, Nigeria will feel safe and be happy. You know, there is the twist and turn in democracy. There's always the hazard of the challenges, and we just have to build and tolerate each other, express love and harmony. That's all.
Thank you.